Guys, creating viral shorts can feel like a ton of extra work after making a long tutorial. But what if I told you there's a way to turn a single hour-long video into 10 to 15 ready-to-publish shorts, and the AI does almost everything for you? I'm Daniel. Welcome to my channel, where I make smart tutorials. Today we are checking out HiClip, an AI-powered platform that analyzes your long videos, finds the best moments, creates catchy titles, suggests tags, and even generates optimized shorts for TikTok and YouTube. In this video, I'll show you the full workflow, from uploading a long tutorial to previewing the top AI-picked clips, downloading them, and even publishing directly to YouTube. By the end, you'll see just how fast and easy it is to go from one long video to multiple viral shorts. Also, I've left all the useful links in the description down below, so don't forget to check them out. Let's dive in and watch the AI do its magic. So my friends, let's pick the top score clip and see how it handles the very first video from our list. We can preview the result, and we also get the option to download it with or without subtitles. Honestly, I think this looks great. From just one 8-minute video, we can generate a bunch of these shorts. On top of that, I can connect my social media accounts for analytics. For example, linking my YouTube channel and granting permissions. By the way, guys, by the end of October, HiClip will also be connected to other social media platforms in addition to YouTube, so stay tuned to try it out. That way, I can directly upload the clips to YouTube right from HiClip. It even gives me a ready-made title and description. With just one click on Share to YouTube, the video gets published straight to my channel from the HiClip library. And if I want, folks, I can also schedule multiple posts at different times, which makes things super convenient. What if I told you that your 1-hour coding tutorial could instantly turn into 10 to 15 viral shorts for TikTok and YouTube? And what's great about it is that this smart tool does it all for you. It finds the most interesting moments, creates catchy titles, and even suggests tags. Today, guys, we are looking at HiClip, an AI platform that uses advanced machine learning algorithms for intelligent video segmentation. Basically, this tool analyzes your video, finds the highlights and key knowledge points, and then generates optimized shorts from your content. Guys, let me take a little break to ask you to like this video and subscribe to my channel. It's absolutely free, but helps me make even more fun tutorials for you. Thanks! In the next 5 minutes, I'll walk you through the full workflow, from uploading a long video to publishing ready-made shorts across different platforms. I'll upload one of my tutorial videos, and with just one click, let's see what results we get. HiClip breaks the process into 3 steps. First, it processes the video, then it analyzes it, and finally it edits the clips. All I have to do is wait. And here we go, folks. After analyzing the video, HiClip suggests 3 top clips with ratings of 9.6, 9.2, and 9.0. These are the top shorts from my tutorial. It also suggests a few more with slightly lower ratings and shorter durations. I can choose all of them, or just pick the best 3 and then move forward with the selected clips. Now guys, let's quickly talk about HiClip's pricing. If you're just getting started, the starter plan is $9 a month and gives you 2 hours of clip time. The creator plan is $20 a month and bumps that up to 5 hours with more account connections. And if you're running a bigger team or studio, there's the team plan at $250 a month, which unlocks 50 hours and way more accounts. The nice part, folks, is that all plans remove watermarks. And if you go for the annual subscription, you actually get 50% off, which makes it a pretty solid deal. And that's a wrap, guys. HiClip really makes turning long videos into viral shorts super easy. From analyzing your content to picking the best highlights, creating titles, adding tags, and even publishing directly to YouTube. It handles almost everything. Honestly, if you've ever wanted to get more mileage out of your tutorials or long videos without spending hours editing, this tool is a game changer. Look for the link in the description to get a discount code so you can enjoy 30% off. I'd love to hear from you. What video would you try turning into shorts first? If you're excited to try it out, or if you've already used it and have some thoughts to share, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your experiences. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, until next time.